My name is Poonam Shetty and I'm key facilitator and director for a company called as Mind Matters Most Training Program. I've been conducting a lot of training programs for corporates and for college students and now for school students as well. When it comes to college students training program, there is one topic which is very close to my heart, which is career guidance. Now in all our career guidance workshop, we usually conduct a lot of tests. Now these are the tests that we call Spark series of tests, which is nothing but checking your IQ, checking your EQ, and aptitude test as well. There is one challenge that I have when it comes to conducting these kind of program. One is that usually there are high chances that people may fake answers or people may give feeling based answers. Feeling based answers in the sense, if once, let's say, you get impressed by one thing and you end up giving those kind of answers. Like you go for a concert, you watch a Justin Bieber concert and you want to become the next Justin Bieber. Something like that. And we do not want these kind of answers because that highly affects your career options. Now I started thinking what to do to get accurate results, and I came across a lot of traditional methods. Some of the traditional methods that we had is astrology and graphology. Now astrology and graphology helps you to understand your strengths, it helps you to understand your challenges. Once you understand your strengths and challenges, we also make you understand what are the 8 career options you have when it comes to your personality, some of the options that you should go through. And we give you enough information about the career so that once you go out of the training institute, you're very much clear on what you want to do and you will not be influenced. So come and plan your career with industry experts, and do log into our website www.nlp-mindmattersmost.com. You can also visit our office in Badlapur. Our counselors will definitely book a slot for you and help you through it. Thank you and stay blessed everyone.